gives it... Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and finally welcome to another swatch Saturday. Lots of new lippies coming out, got lots of collections here, so I'm excited to share the first one with you. This is the new Candy Slick collection from NYX. Excuse my English. There are 12 different shades in this collection, and I'm going to show you swatches of all of them directly on my lips, as we always do. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like Swatch Saturdays so that I know that I should keep on doing them. And without further ado, let's jump into all of the swatches. Mwah. Alright guys, that's it for this Swatch Saturday. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed all of these swatches from this brand new collection from NYX. Leave your favorite color down below. I'm actually loving this color. This color is called S'more Please. I'm actually surprised that I like it because it looks very dusty rose in the container, but it looks a little more rosy pink on my lips. But that is my favorite. Comment your favorite down below. And as always, if you're not subscribed to me already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to me ASAP so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And of course, check out all of the rest of my videos right here on the side. Love you. See you soon. Bye.